Miroki. Introducing Miroki, an innovative robot designed to transform hospital operations. Developed in France, Miroki comes in two charming versions, Miroki Boy and Miroki Girl, inspired by Pixar animated films. These adorable, long-eared robots are more than just eye-catching. They offer practical assistance in healthcare settings. Miroki robots are engineered to ease the workload of nurses by handling tasks such as transporting patients, delivering food, and managing medical records. They understand commands like, put these items in their places, and can travel at speeds of up to 2 miles per hour. On a single charge, they can operate for up to 8 hours and handle a payload of about 7 pounds. Set to debut in a Parisian hospital in 2024, Miroki is also expected to find a place in schools, hotels, and nursing homes. With their unique design and versatile functionality, these robots promise to be valuable helpers in various environments. Glux Kind. Glux Kind has revolutionized the baby stroller experience with a cutting-edge design that transforms an everyday walk into a breeze. Typical strollers can weigh over 22 pounds, making outings feel like a workout for many parents. Enter the Glux Kind Smart Stroller, a perfect companion for growing families. This innovative stroller is loaded with advanced technology, from a car-like parking brake to the powerful Ella twin-engine system, designed to tackle uphill climbs effortlessly. For those moments when your hands are full, the stroller's autopilot feature, active only when the stroller is empty, takes control, while cameras and sensors enable remote navigation. To keep your little one calm, the stroller even offers automatic rocking and a built-in white noise generator. Priced at around $3,300, this game-changing stroller is set to begin shipping in April, offering parents an unmatched blend of convenience and peace of mind. HaptX Gloves. HaptX Gloves G1, touted as the industry's most advanced haptic gloves, are now available in a lightweight, wireless design. Created by a team in the United States, these gloves are primarily aimed at companies rather than individual consumers. Given the hefty $5,500 price tag and an additional $500 monthly subscription, what makes HaptX Gloves G1 remarkable is their technology. Utilizing compressed air and hundreds of microdrives, they enable users to feel virtual objects, from apples to tools, as if they were real. The gloves are also compatible with Unity, Unreal Engine, and other software, unlocking new possibilities for collaborative work in virtual environments. Despite the innovation, some skeptics believe these gloves could follow the fate of the Power Glove, an unpopular NES controller that failed to catch on with consumers. Time will tell if the HaptX Gloves G1 will become a game changer or just another tech curiosity. AGRIST. Japan is known for its limited agricultural land, with only 12 to 15% of the country being suitable for farming. Coupled with the fact that the average age of Japanese farmers is 66, the challenge of maximizing land use becomes even more critical. To address these challenges, innovative robotic solutions like AGRIST are stepping in to revolutionize farming practices. AGRIST is a remarkable robot designed to assist with the labor-intensive task of harvesting. Showcased at CES 2023, it amazed attendees with its advanced artificial intelligence. Equipped with an array of cameras, this robot can harvest crops like bell peppers with incredible precision, down to 0.4 inches. But AGRIST doesn't just stop at harvesting. It also monitors crop growth, provides valuable insights, and offers tips to optimize farming practices. The robot operates on a wire system, making it suitable for virtually any farm without causing damage to the ground. In a country where land is scarce and the farming workforce is aging, AGRIST represents a significant step forward in ensuring sustainable and efficient agriculture for the future. UAV, Thailand's versatile aerial patrol drone. Our next highlight is a unique drone that initially confused users with its bike or scooter-like appearance. However, this intriguing design hides a powerful aerial vehicle. Manufactured in Thailand, this UAV is utilized by the Royal Thai Navy for various operations, including patrolling missions. Despite its unconventional look, the drone can carry up to 2 kilograms of cargo, fly distances of up to 50 kilometers, and achieve speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Equipped with cameras, it provides effective surveillance, even during nighttime operations. Powered by a gasoline 2-stroke engine, this UAV boasts an impressive endurance, capable of running for 2.5 hours without the need for refueling. This combination of design, capability, and endurance makes it a valuable tool for military and security operations. City Glider. Meet the City Glider, an innovative shoe concept from Singapore that's poised to redefine urban commuting. As more people opt for walking over crowded public transport, the need for comfortable and efficient footwear has never been greater. The City Glider introduces a creative design with an integrated pneumatic system that enhances stride length, allowing users to walk 10% farther with each step. This design not only increases walking efficiency, but also helps reduce foot and shin pain, making it an ideal choice for those navigating city streets. While the concept promises a transformative commuting experience, it's still uncertain whether it will advance to production. Keep an eye out for future updates on this exciting development in urban footwear. Grivel G22 Plus. For the adventurous souls who take rock climbing to new heights, the Grivel G22 Plus crampons are a game changer. Ideal for routes that mix rock and ice, these crampons offer exceptional stability and performance. With their interchangeable front points, the G22 Plus adapts seamlessly to varying terrains, ensuring climbers have the right tool for every challenge. Weighing just 926 grams per pair, they strike the perfect balance between robustness and lightweight design. Priced at $245, the Grivel G22 Plus is a valuable investment for climbers seeking reliability and versatility in their gear. Whether you're a seasoned climber or a passionate beginner, these crampons are built to elevate your climbing experience. The Super Velio. Introducing the Super Velio, a groundbreaking innovation designed to support the early development of children aged 10 to 24 months. According to its creators, this advanced ride-on toy is set to make a significant impact on enhancing balance and coordination in young children. The Super Velio features an adjustable seat, a 15mm foam layer for added comfort, and a low seating position that encourages exploration and interaction with the environment. Weighing in at just under 3 kilograms, it's notably lighter and easier to maneuver than traditional strollers. Priced at $200, the Super Velio offers a new approach to early childhood mobility, combining practicality with developmental benefits to support your child's growth in a fun and engaging way. Terraglide. Meet the Terraglide electric recumbent trike, a groundbreaking innovation in personal transportation. Designed for both comfort and efficiency, this electric trike combines cutting-edge technology with a unique recumbent design to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. The Terraglide stands out with its sleek aerodynamic frame and electric assist system. It features a high-capacity battery that provides impressive range and power, ensuring you can tackle long distances effortlessly. The recumbent seating position offers exceptional comfort, reducing strain on your back and joints. Equipped with advanced suspension and responsive steering, the Terraglide navigates various terrains with ease, from smooth city streets to rugged trails. Its intuitive controls and integrated digital display keep you informed and in control, enhancing your ride every step of the way. Perfect for daily commutes or leisure rides, the Terraglide electric recumbent trike promises a blend of performance, comfort, and style. Experience the future of personal transportation with this innovative and versatile trike. The XTURISMO hoverbike, developed by Airwis Technologies in Japan, brings the concept of aerial mobility closer to reality. This single-person craft is powered by 2 large gas-powered Kawasaki engines, complemented by 4 smaller electric fans for stability and maneuverability. The hybrid propulsion system allows for a flight time of up to 40 minutes and a cruising speed of 62 miles per hour. While currently limited to racetracks in Japan, the XTURISMO has aspirations for broader use in applications such as search and rescue, disaster relief, and infrastructure inspection. Though commercially available, its high price and legal restrictions make it less accessible. Nevertheless, the XTURISMO represents a significant advancement in personal flying vehicle technology. The watercraft FLYWAY, developed by Slovenian manufacturer HiFly Watersports, is an eco-friendly hydrofoil scooter that redefines personal watercraft experiences. Unlike traditional jet skis, the FLYWAY uses a propeller and hydrofoil wing, which lifts the hull out of the water at higher speeds. This reduces drag, increases efficiency, and delivers a smooth, exhilarating ride. Steering is controlled via handlebars that direct a rudder, making it familiar to jet ski enthusiasts. While official specifications remain undisclosed, the FLYWAY features a user-friendly handlebar display showing speed and battery life, along with a built-in Bluetooth speaker for music on the go. Though currently sold out, the FLYWAY is a significant step forward in the electric watercraft market, offering a sustainable and thrilling alternative to traditional jet skis. The IEV-Z is a micro-mobility electric vehicle with a unique size-shifting feature. Designed in Denmark, it holds the title of the world's narrowest car, measuring just 30.7 inches wide in single-passenger mode. This compact size allows it to navigate traffic and fit into tight spaces with ease. However, with a touch of a button, the IEV-Z expands robotically, creating room for a second passenger or extra cargo. This adaptability makes it ideal for urban commutes, grocery runs, or carrying luggage. Rooftop solar panels help extend its range while keeping it eco-friendly. While some details, like weatherproofing in expanded mode, are yet to be confirmed, the IEV-Z represents a promising step towards sustainable and personalized transportation. The PteroDynamics X-P4 is an autonomous vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft that blends fixed-wing efficiency with quadcopter agility. Unlike traditional VTOLs, it transitions into airplane mode for greater range and speed, while its tilting propellers allow vertical takeoff and landing, removing the need for runways. With a 13.1-foot wingspan, the X-P4 is compact and optimized for maritime logistics. It has proven its resilience in harsh conditions, successfully performing test flights in high winds. PteroDynamics envisions it being used in military logistics, commercial deliveries, and remote transport applications, making it a game-changer in aerial mobility. Wehead. Video calls have become a staple of modern communication, but there's always been something missing. Until now. Enter Wehead, the groundbreaking device designed to transform video meetings into immersive, three-dimensional experiences. Wehead is the first of its kind, aiming to bring a new level of interaction to virtual communication. It's not just about seeing and hearing. Wehead mimics your head movements, creating a more natural and engaging connection. The device features 4 AMOLED displays that vividly project your face, while a 10-watt speaker and high-quality microphone ensure crystal-clear audio. What truly sets Wehead apart is its innovative camera placement, which enhances the feeling of eye-to-eye contact, fostering a deeper sense of presence and involvement. This isn't just a prototype. Wehead is already on the market, priced at $1,555, with the first batch expected to ship around March. Wehead is more than just a gadget. It's a leap forward in how we connect, making every virtual meeting feel more personal and interactive.
Hello.
Hi. What is your name?
Bro, my name is James. I'm your bro, remember?
The Quadrofoil Q2S is an electric hydrofoil designed for thrilling, eco-friendly rides on the water. This 2-seater watercraft features a futuristic design and a top speed of 21 knots 39 kilometers per hour. Its lightweight modular hull, made from composite materials, works with a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor, offering a range of up to 80 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for coastal or lake exploration. The intuitive controls and stable design ensure a smooth ride, while the airtight top module keeps passengers dry and enhances the vessel's unsinkability. Additionally, the Q2S is eco-friendly, producing zero emissions and operating whisper quiet, allowing riders to enjoy the serenity of the water without harming the environment.